In this video, you are going to see gameplay experience in Realme 11x mobile. I have been using this mobile for more than a week now, and I will share my experience with this in a full review video that I'm going to post in the upcoming days. If in case you are watching this video lately, check out the description box for more videos related to this. I'm going to play the Battlegrounds game aka pubg for half an hour, and we will check for any heating issues or lags during the gameplay. Also, if you observe the battery percentage, it is 29% right now. In the final part, we will see how much it dropped. Now let's start the game. If in case you want to know the settings for this game, here are those. Some of the settings are not supported for this mobile. Coming to the display, this mobile comes with an LCD panel with a maximum refresh rate of 120Hz. The processor which is there in this mobile is MediaTek 6100 Plus, which is a 5G enabled one. Along with this, you will also get the game booster that helps to experience good gaming at all times. There is no cooling chamber is available in this mobile, so I assume some heating issues I'm going to notice after 30 minutes of gameplay. Let's see how it handles. Let you also observe the gameplay of this one, and if in case if you feel any lags, feel free to comment with the timestamp. It's been more than 30 minutes now. After playing this much time, I didn't notice any lags at all. When it comes to heating, yes, it is a little warm on the backside of the camera area followed by the display, but it's not overheating. Coming to the battery percentage, after 30 minutes of gameplay, it is down to 18% from 29%. Do note that I'm not using any back case for it. If in case you are using the back case and playing, you notice some more heating issues than me. Overall, the verdict is this mobile handles this game and others. No lags at all and some heating issues are there. If you want to see what are the things you get inside the box, click this left side video.